How to add HS code to products in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is very simple and easy to do, so let's just get to it. First, log into your Shopify admin and locate the products section. So click on products from the top here. Next up, select the product that you want to add the HS code to. So in this case, I'm just going to use this one as an example. Next up, once you actually select it, and it must be a physical product, obviously. So scroll down until you find the shipping option here, which is going to be this one. And again, just make sure that this is toggled on, which is that it is a physical product. Now, what we want to do is basically just select the HS code option from here. Simply click on that. And you're going to do two things here. First, select the country of origin for this particular product. So you can just go in and add that right here. And next up, you simply just want to add the HS code right down here for it. So if you know it, good, just go ahead and paste that in or just add it over here. If not, you can just go ahead and actually select a category by typing it in. For example, if it's a shirt, you can just go in and type in shirt, and you're going to find all different types here that you could choose from. So, you know, whichever one is going to suit your basically product, make sure you select it from there. So once you add this, you simply just want to click on save from the top. And that's pretty much how to add an HS code to your products from Shopify. Again, you're just going to repeat the process for the other products that you want to add it to. Again, just select it, shipping, HS code, and add that in here. With that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.